Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. As I say, this one, I'm 3 days away from the marathon, my first long race, my first race really. So I'm just very excited. But I'm also very tired and just kind of, today I'm pretty okay, but I'm going to try to rest as much as I can. So let's get to it. Alright, today we have 1233. Remove subfolders from the file system. Given a list of folders, return the folder. You remove every subfolder. What does a subfolder mean? Oh, okay. So if something it's a subfolder of something else, then CD is okay. So basically, the idea is that if something is a prefix of another thing, then we remove it. Of course, if you can do this n square, but n square may be too slow, right? It's just there's too many things. How would I want to do it? I think one thing that is kind of interesting that you can, and there are actually probably so many ways to do it. I don't know how I did it in the past. I've probably done this before, right? Wow, 5 years ago. Jeez, cheapest. But yeah, I mean, I think one way that like you can do it with a try maybe, or you certainly can do it with a try, and that may even be the fun way to do it. But the way that I want to think about it, or I want to play with something else, is I don't know actually, but. I'm going to try to do this in a funky way, in the interest of time. And again, maybe today I'm a little bit sloppy because I just want to get my rest. Hopefully, if you're watching this, like as in like if you're new to the channel, I usually do try to explain a little bit more. But again, my marathon is in 3 days, and I'm just trying to like get as much rest as I can. I'm skipping out on a lot of stuff. But the thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to just sort the folders, right? And why did I sort the folder? Well, when I sort the folder, that means that if something is a subfolder of another subfolder, then it will be, in a way, it'll be adjacent to each other, kind of. And when I say kind of, because in a stack kind of way, if you think about after you sort it. And maybe is it already sorted? Maybe it's already sorted. Nope. But after you sort it, then now you can think about this as almost like a tree traversal of the file system. And if there's a subfolder that exists, or if a parent folder exists, then it'll be in the one that's right before. So we can do something like that, right? So here maybe we can just do a stack. So for F in folder, we can do something like I don't know, if length of stack is less, whatever, right? Then we append F, we continue. This is kind of maybe sloppy, but in any case, and then then we can see. Otherwise, then I think this is right. Otherwise, maybe I have to do something else. But now we want to check whether this case, right? Or maybe we can just actually append this because if the top of the stack, if F starts with top of the stack, then we actually continue, right? And we continue by not putting it on the stack. And then we just kind of keep going. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think this should work. And this is why we put a thing so that the prefix matching is good enough. And then at the end, we can just return stack. Let me... well, it's wrong because I added the thing, but... Did I misunderstand? No, this is right. Oh. Whoops, I forgot the else statement. Else stack.append F plus right? Yeah, there you go. Whoops. But of course, this is going to be wrong because I added the dash thing, so we just have to remove it. So, maybe like... I just want to see if like the root directory is possible. If doesn't, it's not like something like that, right? Okay. Okay, so it's not. Then yeah, then we can just do like for f in stack, we just chop off the last character, and that should be good. Oh, whoops. Let's give it a quick submit. Yeah. I mean, I think, you know, today I am doing it a little bit of a creative way. And this is actually, I mean, I know that I kind of threw a lot of magic at you. And again, I think the cannot go away. If I had more time and if I was not being lazy, I would do it with a try. And apparently here, I just have a lookup table, which is even even lazier. But I did it 5 years ago. But yeah, but the idea here is that this is actually a property that comes up or in some string problems with respect to suffix trees, right? Or suffix array that takes advantage of this property. So that's why I kind of did it this way. I think the way that I would think about doing it is through a try, except for that instead of a character, each folder is a node right on the try tree, and you could kind of like just look it up that way. And that's basically what I did here as well, kind of. So yeah. Again, my apologies this week. I you know, I'm running a marathon. So, but that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Feel free to ask questions in the Discord. I'll get to it, but and on the comments, of course. Yeah. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.